Greetings and salutations. Good morning. It's a wonderful Saturday morning. And today, as usual, we're going to discuss the crosses, that is, Ange'luscious Authentic Dishes. The woman get up this morning and start one breed of nonsense on Facebook. Talk about the shadow, make pancake from scratch. You see how she bossy with it? And then bit by bit, you know, she just start torture people. Look how she have them Pancakes. And it's yogurt pancake, no less. But we know that she didn't make some fruit compote the other day, but that had all the reds and the this and the that in there. Kuya me Jesus! I don't know what that? Apple, banana, rum sauce. You know, so the stick of cinnamon I sit up in there. And these people have to deal with on an early Saturday morning. And then as God is my witness, Jehovah come down, may have to catch which part Ange'luscious Authentic Dishes there. Look on this yogurt pancake with apple, banana, rum sauce, slivered almonds with kiwi and plum. This is a person who you only need for show up at the yard when the food are cooked. I'm warning you right now. Any day you stop ship food, send it come a Charleston, baby. And oi, Angeline, where me babe there? Good morning all. But I thought you needed to share in the torture. That is Ange'luscious Authentic Dishes. Baby, she all over the place. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Look on that. That's just sinful. Me not lie, I want to lick my screen. You know why I look it to look? Come. My gosh.